There's Thomas. Yes. Excuse me. What Twilight? I see Thomas has a crush on Twilight. Oh my god, though. It's already bad fanfics. They're not bad. At least Edward's up there. Ooh, there's Eddie right there. Ah, that pony looks a bit like Twilight in her unicorn form. Man, I cannot believe these fanfics. Well, there's Henry Dougie. Oh yes, there he is. How's the big green guy? What just happened? Sorry, my phone does that all the time. Fluttershy? It makes sense because they have similar personalities. But is Fluttershy arrogant and vain? No. There's Big Gordon right there, that big fat express engine. Oh, don't tell Gordon this, folks. But I think Rainbow is kind of like Gordon as well. They have so much in common. Oh, there's James. Hi, James, it's me. It's all Donald and Douglas. Wow. I think we have a love interest for James. Oh my god, Donald. What the hell is the matter? Well, Percy's right up there now. Wow, it's a slideshow now. Yes, it is. It makes sense because Percy Piggy has similar senses. Similar. I don't find that a matter. Oh, that's Toby. The tram engine. Woo! Well, I see Applejack has some kind of a Toby. Live in a country lifestyle, but honest, blah blah blah. Oh, there's Doc! I can't believe Doc is up there. Who the hell in the Scottish nation is that? I have no idea. Oh, what about us? Well, Oliver's next. At least I'm not confused with the escalator. Who is that? Stanley, welcome! What is that, coloratura? Oh! Ooh, seems to be nice. And there's a pony line. Oh, that's Skip! Who's this Coco? Is that Trevor the traction engine? Wow, it seems to me like they both live in farm styles. Applejack does too! Well, yeah. What hero? Who in the world is that? Kevin! I could understand Kevin Andy. Oh, Derby! I cannot believe we're doing the forward. I nice. Oh. So, what do you think? They seem very bright. Hey, they make such perfect couples. After all, Valentine's Day is just in a couple weeks. Oh yes, it is. At least there's something we agree with. Oh, hi you two. I see you were pushing engines at Pony Valentine's. I was Twilight's one. Goodbye. What? That's unnecessary. I cannot believe. Yeah, I can't believe either. Yes. I started to think we're down in the dumps. We'll be like what? Scrap! Don't mention that word! It makes me want to squabble. I know, it does the same for me, but I had to say it. Well, At least one thing you do. The fanfics are really awesome! Heard you two. You saw the video, huh? Yes. You are rainbows. Well, it seems to make very much sense. Now I must hurry. The express mustn't be late. Good luck, Gordon. Thank you, Donald and Douglas. Whoa. Ah, great. Is it another engine that does some fan service? Are you talking about Doc? No. Oh, hi, Edward. I see. You like SuperDogLover01 and Tommy Barrow. Except you would stop and twinkle, Pony. Yes, she did. Well, they did. Wow. And starving eyes do seem to have a bit of a personality. And similarities. Ooh. Now, I'm sorry, but I had to go to the transfer yards. Is it? I don't think that's your job. Whatever. Henry, oh boy. Oh, that forest of yours. It's fine. Why? We were looking for some shippings on you and Fluttershy. You two seem to be a perfect couple. Well, yeah. Well, she and I are both nature lovers and are so much warriors. You know, you're sort of like Applejack as well. How? Well, in one episode, you had a Western accent, like Applejack has. That doesn't mean I do. And you two are both strong. Yeah, but that doesn't mean. You're both honest. Toby is honest as well. Whatever. You two are such loud mouths. What did I mean? What did I mean like that? James, oh boy. Hello. So, James, I looked at SuperDogLover01's and Tommy Barrow's videos and saw that they shipped you with Rarity. Oh, yes, they did. She and I really do have a lot in common. We're both vain and blah, blah, blah. You know? In fact, in the videos, we love each other. Ooh, now there's some lovebirds. More like love engine and love pony. I can't. Ding, 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 ding. Toby! So, you looked at a video, huh? Yes, indeed. You and Applejack actually do seem like a good couple. Well, yeah, sorta. Wow, are you just gonna pull Henrietta today, like always? Yes, indeed. Wait, have you two even finished your jobs? Yes, we did. We just got a break. Well, we finished our jobs early so we can watch the video together. Oh. Well, see ya. Wait. Oh, boy, that was so cool. I didn't know string a couple afterwards. That is some prank. Who's responsible for that prank? I think this engine is what you need to call for. Percy, why? Sorry, it's just when I saw the video. Me and Pinkie Pie do seem to have some things in common, besides that we're silly and all. You are. And you're full of pranks, like you did just now. I'm just so excited. Well, see you two later. I can stand the fanfics? Yes, we can. Well, at least I knew one thing. The engines and ponies actually do great with couples. Yes. So, what should we do this Valentine's Day? Well, I know Valentine's Day is not just a day for smooching females. Yes, it's also about spending time with your friends and your loved ones. Oh, speaking of loved ones, they're all in Scotland. I think we should go to Scotland for Valentine's Day. What a good idea, Douglas! Wow. We can't just leave right away. Yeah, we got jobs we gotta do. I wonder. Well, happy early Valentine's Day, everyone.